Today we are trying to solve a two math. First one, in this is a fraction where in numerator 5 to the power 4 times 8 times 16 and denominator 2 to the power 5 times 125. So once we simplify, first we have to make a similar thing, like here is 5 to the power 4 and these 8 times this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, right, times this 16 also we can write 2 to the power 4. This is 2 to the power 5. Now times this 125 we can write 5 to the power 3. Now look, we know a theory which is once base are same, that time in product it means a to the power m times a to the power n will be a to the power m plus n. It means once base are same, that time in product power will be addition. Similar, once base are same, a to the power m divide a to the power n, it means when base are same in division power will be subtracted. It means a to the power m minus n. Now let's check. This is 2 and 2 base are same. Here is 3, here is 4. So we can write like this. Here is 5 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3 plus 4, and here is 2 to the power 5 times 5 to the power 3. Now look, this is 5 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 7, and here is 2 to the power 5 times 5 to the power 3. Okay, now what can we do? Look, here base 2 and here is 2, and this one is 5 and this one is 5. So we can write 5 to the power 4 minus 3 as per this rule, and similar times here is 2 7 minus 5, because 7 is numerator and denominator here is 2 to the power 5. So it means a to the power m divide a to the power n, it means a to the power m minus n. Okay, now look, this is 5, 4 minus 1 is 1, so here is only 5, and this is 2 to the power 7 minus 5 is a 2, so here is 5 times 2 to the power 2 means 4. Our answer is 20. Okay, this is very simple. Today's second question, a fraction where in numerator 3 times 2 to the power n minus 4 times 2 to the power n minus 2 divide 2 to the power n minus 2 to the power n minus 1. So step by step we are trying to simplify this one. First, this is 3 times 2 to the power n minus 4 we can write 2 square times here is 2 to the power n times we can write 2 to the power minus 2. Why? We know a to the power m times a to the power n, it means what? A to the power m plus n. So from this one to this one also we can write like this. Okay, now here is also same thing, 2 to the power n, then minus we can write 2 to the power n times 2 to the power minus 1. Okay, now what can we do? Look, this is 2 to the power n, this is 2 to the power n, here is 2 to the power n, and here is also 2 to the power n. So we just take common 2 to the power n. So here is 3 minus 2 square times 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, now here is also 2 to the power n common, so 1 minus 2 to the power minus 1. Now one by one we are trying to solve. 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n divide, it will be 1, so we can out. Okay, so this is 3 minus, look, here base are same, so we can write 2 to the power 2 minus 2, and here is 1 minus, as per negative exponent we know a to the power minus n equals to a to the power, a to the power minus n means 1 by a to the power n. Similar, here is 2 to the power minus 1, we can write 1 by 2. Okay, next, this is 3 minus 2 to the power 2 minus 2, it means 0, and here is LCM 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, next we can write in here 3 minus 3 minus 1. Why? Because we know a to the power 0 means 1. And here is 2 minus 1 is a 1 divide 2. So here is 3 minus 1 is a what? Is a 2 and 1 by 2. So we can write 2 times 2 by 1. It means our answer is 4. Very simple. Okay. So I hope it's clear. We are trying to simplify these two exponents, which is very important for grade 9, 10, IGCSE and SET examination. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel if you think this channel is helping you, and please share with your friends. And don't forget, if you want, can be share this one to your social media. Thank you.